Hi, my name is Sophia Thomas, and I'm the CEO and founder of Priority Stem Cell Incorporated. And I'm here to tell you that you need stem cells in your life. What are stem cells? Immature cells that mature and develop into other types of cells. Stem cells are not always completely blank cells. They can also be healthy cells that self-renew and make copies of themselves. You can make whole human beings out of it and other whole animals. It's how Dolly the sheep was made. The two main types of cells are pluripotent cells and multipotent cells. Pluripotent can take in their surroundings and turn into any cell and divide infinitely, and multipotent can only really divide into tissue or organ cells, the same cells that surround it, and usually they have a division limit. Going off the two main types of stem cells, the two most common sources are autologous and allogenic. Autologous means from yourself, and allogenic is from a donor. Autologous might not be as effective. Depending on the problem, there might not be a proper source that you can take the stem cells from. And allogenic could last a shorter amount of time and tend to be less durable. So why stem cells? We are deserving of the $20 million because stem cells are useful, costly to harvest, but stem cells can do the same job as many other funding groups. It would be 10 for the price of one. Some say that stem cells are not a long-term, realistic way to better the medical care in the U.S. PSC says otherwise. The FDA has already approved the use of stem cells to repair bone marrow and blood-related diseases, as well as use them for further research into organ repair or replacement, as well as overall damage repair. How exactly would the $20 million help? $20 million would help fund the research needed to safely and ethically provide stem cells for the public. The $20 million would also help us grow and harvest more stem cells for use, as well as promote stem cell donation. Things like low blood supply, nerve damage, increase in sunburns, tans, and skin-related diseases can all be solved by the use of stem cells. They can also help grow and regenerate other organs. Because they're blank cells, they really can turn into anything you need them to be. So really, stem cells are the jack of all trades. What makes PSC so special? We are called Priority Stem Cell Incorporated because you are our priority. We want to promote your best self, wrinkle-free, nerve damage-free, melanoma-free. Technically, stem cells could help repair any damage done to the body anywhere. We could theoretically create a utopia, but that's a ways away. With so many benefits, you must be growing a little suspicious of the negatives, the controversies that come with stem cells. One of the biggest controversies are the donated early-stage embryos. These are called embryonic cells and they are pluripotent. These are used because they're a bundle of completely blank cells, so they can be inserted to any part of the body. Stem cells also generally have a certain risk because they're such impressionable cells. An example of this is that stem cells that are grown in a lab have a high mutation rate, which could lead to cancer. But there's a risk for everything you do. You could be smashed and killed by another car, but you still drive every day. Listen, Mr. Gates, just look at what stem cells can do for you. Go from this to this. So please, Priority Stem Cell Incorporated is asking you for the $20 million because stem cells are worth it.